I've chosen my viral video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to replicate a viral video and then collate all the viral videos that you want to batch to make your videos. So this is just a simple, let me make, so that's the sound. So she's making commissions and she's doing 30-second product reviews and get paid. So can't wait to check tomorrow's earnings, and she's typing on the computer. So what is your version of this? I'm going to show you how to use this sound. We're going to upload this one. Okay, so now I'm going to put some text on. So my version of this, when you get paid once, you know that. Okay, let's try the blue. She uses the blue, so we're using the blue as well. So that's it. You need the captions as well. I don't know whether I've got them from before. Let me have a look. Clipboard. Yes, there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So you only need 3 or 4. Actually, that one's not a hashtag. Click the link in your bio. It's dead easy, guys. There's a lovely Graham, my mate. Right, we want to, this is the secret hack that nobody will tell you. I want you to download the Google extension sort for TikTok. It looks like that. Okay. Then I want you to go into manage extensions, put your sort for TikTok in, scroll down and allow an incognito window. If you don't use an incognito window, they will ban your TikTok account. So then you hop over here, and I've got Millie Marketing. Okay, so now I'm going to click this Chrome extension, start. Okay, so now it stops, and you've got the 2.2 million, 1.7 million. Anything over 100k is great. So what I suggest you do is click on one. Say this one, and get the links and put them all on a spreadsheet. So get them on a document or a spreadsheet, then you can there you go. Put these on a spreadsheet, get the URL, put them all on a spreadsheet that you can copy, and then don't reinvent the wheel, just follow for more.